Let me help you with that homework problem.
Electrical Engineering Professor. I'm Dr. Bob. You can call me Professor. We have lectures, problem solving, and special projects, so stay tuned. The purpose of this channel is to chronicle the events around the various projects that I'm involved in, to help explain the engineering problems that I have run into and my approaches to solving them. Some of these solutions may seem simple, but often have subtle complications that are critical for the solution to work. Some of the problems that I'm working on have yet to be solved.
Thanks for watching my program.